Okay, today we're talking about installing a dash cam. So in this example, we're working on a 2013 Toyota Camry, but these general steps apply to company vehicles, other vehicle makes and models. Here's a dash cam in question. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion or advertisement for this product. It's just the one that I bought. Here's the specs. You can buy these on Amazon, eBay, Target, Walmart, many different websites. Let's take a look inside the box, see what you get. So here's a camera. You see it has a forward-facing and rear-facing camera. And a screen. That camera swivels around. There's a mount on the bottom where you would mount it. Or on the top, rather. And then there's a mount. It has an adhesive pad that you would attach to your front windshield or rear window. I'm attaching mine to my rear window. It just slides into the slot, clicks in. Like so. Comes with that little guy. If you want to mount the rear-facing camera separately, you can detach it. Comes with a 12-volt DC adapter you plug into like your cigarette lighter, 12-volt outlet on your vehicle, a long length of cord. This will provide power to the camera, and you plug it in right there on the side. And it comes with a little memory card. And it'll erase the recording every time you turn off your car, unless there's an accident or some sort of event. Comes with instructions in different languages. So let's go install this dash cam. So first thing I'm going to do is insert the little memory card. Kind of got to push it in and a little bit over to the side to get it to click in and stay. There we go. I'm going to install the 12-volt power supply, connect to the camera, turn the key on, and you can see the camera is powered up. It's working. So it's up to your preference. You can remove that adhesive and install it on your front windshield. But because this has a front and rear facing camera, I'm going to install it on my rear window. The front camera will still record out of my front window as well. I'm going to tuck the cord in underneath here along the seat and down underneath the passenger seat, out of the way so it doesn't get kicked or stepped on or damaged. And then run it along this plastic trim, tuck it up underneath there. And then I'll run it up along the side of the back seat, tuck it in there so it's out of sight. So obviously the cord isn't going to be quite long enough now. So I'm going to get one of those little extension cords to plug into this to power the camera. Here's what that extension cord looks like. Male on one end, female on the other end. And I wrap some electrical tape around the connection just to hold it together tightly. Now it's powered up. You can see the buttons on the bottom of the camera there. I hope this short demonstration helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.